David here.
Okay, ano?
Congratulations, David. You mentioned na may mga suggestions tayo gusto na may mga i-offer sa'yo. Can you just share a little bit yung mga types ng projects or characters or stories na you want to relate people?
Well, actually, since I'm getting a bit older already, gusto ko sana ma-maximize yung, I guess, sense of youth. Diba? Yung youth energy ng mga shows, let's say, mga romantic, love, drama. Actually, ang gusto ko talaga is drama adaptation.
Really?
Yan talaga yung gusto kong gawin. So habang medyo pwede pa naman yata yung looks ko, baka pwede pa akong mga ganun.
Maybe specific K-drama ka ba na gusto mo? Or like, if you would do a K-drama leading man, what kind of leading man yung gusto mong peg or na-imagine mo for yourself?
Gusto ko talaga yung Itaewon Class, si Park Seo
Oh,
Joon.
favorite ko din yun.
Yeah, di ba? Ang ganda eh. Kasi parang business-centric yung show. Marami kang matutunan, di ba? So parang, I feel like yun yung life story ko, yung buhay niya.
Thank you, David.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Anna. Up next, let's have